subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has finally launched its new mid-range 5G enabled Reno series phone in India and Vietnam called Oppo Reno8 T 5G. Talking about the specifications. The Oppo Reno8 T 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus micro-curve AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Dragon Trail Star 2 glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage with microSD expansion up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Reno8 T 5G supports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.7 aperture along with the 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, and there is another 2MP macro lens with f3.3 aperture. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box with ColorOS 13 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4800 mAh battery that supports 67W superbook fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 74.3 by 7.7mm, and it weighs around 171 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo Reno8 T 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while in Vietnam it is priced at 9,990,000 Vietnamese dong. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 10,990,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from February 10th in midnight black and sunrise gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno8 T 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.